Hello everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss about the mineral resources in India. This is an important exam focused revision deck of classification, distribution and mineral belts and policies and conservation in India. Important topic for UGC net examination in geography. Okay. If you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let's start the class. First of all, the classification of minerals. Okay. What are the major classes of minerals which are found in India? First of all, metallic, also known as ferrous, iron ore, manganese, chromite contain iron base of steel industry. Number 2, metallic or non-ferrous, bauxite, copper, lead, zinc and gold, no iron content, vital for engineering and electrical industry. Then non-metallic, mica, limestone, gypsum, salt, no metal recovered on smelting, and finally mineral fuels like coal, petroleum, natural gas, organic origin and power, energy and base. Okay, these are the four broad classification of minerals in India. Okay, first of all, iron ore. Types of iron ore, type and its content. Iron ore content. Magnetite, 70%, highest and base quality iron. Hematite, 60 to 70%, more or less, most mined in India. Limonite, 40 to 60%, siderite in 40 to 48%, also known as low grade. Leading state Orissa, followed by Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Jharkhand. Orissa and Chhattisgarh together account for over half of India's iron ore and reserves. Okay, now what are the major iron ore belts in India? Number 1, Orissa and Jharkhand belt. It include Mayurbhanj, Kendujar in Orissa and Singhbhum in Jharkhand. Number 2, Durg, Bastar and Chandrapur belt. Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra and Bailadia mines in Chhattisgarh. Number 3, Bellary, Chitradurga, Sikmagalur and Tamkur belt. Karnataka, Kundremukh mines. Maharashtra, Goa belt, lower grade ore and large exported. Okay, coming to our next mineral, this is coal, Gondwana coal and tertiary coal. Okay, both class of coal found in India, Gondwana and tertiary. Gondwana coal, 90% of India's coal reserves are Gondwana coal and is more or less 200 million years. Better quality and low moisture content, basically found in Damodar Valley, Jharia and Raniganj as well as Bokaro. Similarly, tertiary coals, they are 60 million years old and they are younger, high moisture content and basically found in Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, uses coking coal, metallic steel, non-coking coal in thermal power generations. Oldest oil independent energy source of India, and coal is the largest reserves and production base among fossil fuels in India. Okay, next, bauxite and magnetite. Bauxite, ore of aluminium formed from laterite rocks under high temperature and heavy rainfall. Leading state Orissa, Patmali, Koraput, largest reserves and output. Other state Jharkhand, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh used in aluminium industry, aircraft and utensils. Manganese, key input for iron and steel, ferromanganese alloy and bleaching powder. Okay, more or less 10 kg manganese required to produce 1 ton of steel. Leading state Orissa, also Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, and belt overlaps with iron ore belts of the peninsular plateau. Mica and copper. Mica splits easily into thin sheets and they are excellent insulator used in electrical and electronics industry. Leading state in Jharkhand, Kondarma and also known as mica capital of India, Kodarma. Also Andhra Pradesh, Nellore and Rajasthan, Ajmer and Bhilwa. Together Jharkhand and Bihar mica belt is the most productive belt of mica in India. Then copper, malleable, ductile, good conductor used in electrical wires, alloys, brass and bronze. Leading state Madhya Pradesh, Malangkhand, largest single deposits, and also Rajasthan, Khetri and Jharkhand, Singhbhum. India remains a net importer of copper ore despite domestic output. Okay, India remains a net importer of copper ore despite its domestic output. Okay, petroleum and natural gas, onshore fields, Assam, Digboi, oldest oil field in Asia, Nahagoti and Moran region also. Then Gujarat, Ankleshwar, largest onshore field in Gujarat, Kambi and Kelol. Rajasthan, Barmir Basin, Mangala field. Offshore fields, Mumbai High, largest single source of India's crude oil, Arabian Sea, Krishna Godavari, KV Basin and Kaveri Basin, East Coast and major gas finds. Okay, 85% of India's crude oil requirement is met through imports, a key strategic vulnerability. Okay, more or less 80% India's crude oil requirement is made through imports only. Okay, ONGC leads exploration and production onshore and offshore. Natural gas increasingly promoted as cleaner transitional fuel, and refining capacity concentrated at coastal and northern hubs in Jamnagar, Mathura and Barauni. Okay, there are three mineral belts of India: Northeastern Plateau Belt, Sutnakpur and Orissa Plateau. This is a recessed mineral belt of India and rich in coal, iron ore, mica, bauxite and manganese. And states Jharkhand, Orissa, West Bengal and Chhattisgarh. Southwestern Plateau Belt, Karnataka Plateau and Tamil Nadu uplands, rich in ferrous metals and bauxite, iron ore, manganese, limestone, bauxite. States Karnataka, Goa, Tamil Nadu. Northwestern Belt, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Aravalli Plains, dominant in non-ferrous minerals, copper, zinc, mica, gypsum, building stones. States Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay, Northeast Plateau Belt like Sotnagpur and Orissa is the single most repeated belt in net questions, okay, in geography. Remember that. Now the National Mineral Policy and Legal Frameworks. Evolution of Policy, 1993. First National Mineral Policy, open sector to private investment. 2003, revised policy, focus on FDI, technology upgrade. And 2008, reformed NMP, Sustainable Development Emphasis. 2019, National Mineral Policy, NMP 2019, currently in force. Our key legislative instruments: MMDR Act 57, Minerals and Mines and Minerals Development Regulation, MMDR, Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation, Principal Law Governing Mining. Then MMDR Amendment Act 2015 introduced the action-based allocation of mineral concession. MMDR Amendment Act 2021 removed distinction between captive and merchant mines, boosted private participation. District Mineral Foundation, DMF, welfare of mining affected areas. National Mineral Exploration Trust, NMET, funds exploration. Okay, then conservation of mineral resources. Minerals are finite. Okay, they are non-renewable and take millions of years to form. And extraction is always faster than replacement. That's why conservation is therefore essential. Okay, use of low-grade ores. Improved technology to economically exploit low-grade deposits earlier considered unviable. Recycling and scrap use, reuse of metal scrap, steel, aluminum, copper reduces fresh ore demand. Substitution, replacing scarce minerals and with abundant alternatives or synthetic materials. Minimizing wastage, efficient mining, transport and processing methods to reduce losses. Research, mining exploration, systematic surveys, GSI, Geological Survey of India, MECL, to look at new reserves and assess resource life. Then export regulation, restricting export of strategic ores, example iron ore, to conserve for domestic industry. Okay, top producing state at a glance. Okay, mineral, leading state and also found in iron ore, leading state Orissa and also found in Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Jharkhand. Coal, Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. Bauxite, Orissa, Jharkhand, Gujarat and Chhattisgarh. Manganese, Orissa, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Mica, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Copper, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Petroleum offshore, Maharashtra, Mumbai High, Gujarat and Assam. Petroleum onshore, oldest field, Assam, Digboi, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Okay, match minerals to their leading producer state, most frequently asked exam in these are some UGC net focus areas. And distinguish Gondwana versus tertiary coal, determines the differentiation between these two types of coal: age, quality and location. In terms of age, quality and location, and know the three mineral belts and states each one covers, and iron ore types ranked by iron content: manganite, hematite, limonite and siderite. Onshore versus offshore petroleum fields and India's import dependence, more or less 85% import dependence. India. MMDR Act amendments 2015 and 2021, auction system and captive mine reform, and consumption strategies, recycling, substitution and low-grade iron ore. Okay, these are some significant topics which are covered frequently in the UGC net examination in geography. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in a comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.